Hello guys, my name is Little RedBean. Welcome back to episode 2 of How to Draw and Easy to Learn. First, let's talk about the supplies. One simple erasable 2B pencil, a set of erasers, a thin one and a regular one. If you want your lines to be thicker like the cocktail we did last episode, use a Sharpie. The pen I'm gonna use for lines today is a 0.5 fine liner. And let's begin. First, thanks to the person who left a comment last time who wants to know how to draw a chibi girl. Since it's gonna be a chibi, it will be a 2.5 to 3 heads sized body. Let's start with a circle. This will be the little girl's face. And under this circle, we draw an egg shape as the base of the body. I want my little girl to face this way, so we draw a tilted line to cut the circle in half. Then we draw another line in the middle. We draw 2 marks in the middle of the left line and the right line. Then draw 2 circles around the marks. Those are gonna be the eyes. Right under the cross area, we add the nose and the mouth. Then from this top left point, we draw a leaf shape as the bands. And fill up the other side of the bands. Next, we carve out the face shape on the left side a little bit. On the right side, we draw the ear out. And add a number 6 in it. Don't forget to draw the other side of the ear. Let's decide what kind of eyes we want to do today. You can try small bean eyes or big round eyes. For my drawing, I decided to do slightly realistic cute eyes. First, along with the circle, we draw a reverse 6 and then thicken the top eyelid. And draw a fine line for the bottom eyelid. Add some eyelashes. Do the same thing again with her left eye. Don't forget to add the eyebrows. Draw the neck and the collar where the head and the body are attached. Next, we are going to draw the hair. Draw a big curve first, and then use your creativity to decide what hairstyle you want. Maybe short hair, ponytail, or braids. Today I decided to give her a simple long hairstyle with a bow on top of her head. Next, draw a slight H shape right below the body to bring out the bottom of the shirt. Then draw a bell shape to represent the whole dress. Next, add the feet. The shape and the length of the feet is really up to you, as long as they look nice to you. My little girl is about 2.5 heads height. You don't really have to measure it. But the general idea to draw a cute chibi is keeping the shapes round and smooth. Next are the hands. Draw a growth shape as the sleeve. And left her right arm. For the hands, start with an oval shape and draw the thumb first, then fill out the other fingers in the oval shape. I wanted to make her right hand a fist, so I drew a circle and a curve in the center, a small circle as the thumb, then filled it up the other 4 fingers. Let's make her hold something with her right hand. Maybe an ice cream? Or maybe a lollipop. I decided to give her 2 balloons. And our sketch is done. Next, I will be using our 0.5 brown pen to draw the lines. I choose a thinner pen today because you get to control how thick the lines are. If you want them to be thicker, just draw over the same line a few times. After you finished the lines, you can color it with any medium you want. I'm going to use color pencils today. And our tutorial is done today. If you have any questions or want to learn how to draw other things, please let me know by leaving a comment down below. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!